Hey everyone, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So I am really excited about this video. This is my second video in Prepper Potpourri's Air Fryer February. And in my previous video, you saw I did a 3-course meal for Valentine's Day. Just an idea to do something in 1 hour. So 3 courses, 5 recipes, 1 hour, 1 air fryer. But today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. If y'all have followed us for a while, you know we just bought a new 9-acre homestead in East Georgia, and it's 2 hours away. So in the morning when we leave, we need something quick, fast, breakfast, grab, and go. So I thought I would do a video on my delicious air fryer sausage, egg, and cheese egg rolls. Y'all know I love me some egg rolls if you've seen some of my videos. So today I'm going to walk you through it. So if that's something that interests you, come along.
I'm coming home.
Alrighty, so with the first sausage and egg mixture, I'm going to use a ½ pound of sausage. I'm just doing a half order, but the recipe in the description box will be a full order. I like to go ahead and break up the sausage, the ground sausage in the pan. I don't know, I'm weird. It just makes me feel like it cooks faster. I don't really know if it actually does. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get it browned. Make sure you are browning the meat all the way, getting your pork to 165 degrees. I like to get it to about 160 before I add in the egg mixture so it's not overcooked. Because y'all know I can't stand overcooked meat. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get it browned. And once you have your meat all browned, the next thing you're going to do is you want to add in the egg mixture. Now again, right here, I'm doing a half a batch. So I only used 2 eggs to 1/4 cup of milk, but the full recipe is 4 eggs and a ½ cup of milk, heavy cream, whichever you wanted to do. I add it straight into the brown sausage and the grease because you don't want to waste that sausage grease because it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Now once you get the eggs to the consistency that you like, go ahead and we're going to take it off of the burner and let it cool. Definitely let it cool before you start wrapping it. Now what I'm going to do is literally just take a handful, which is about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of the mixture. We're going to put it in 3/4 center of the egg roll and roll it up by folding in the edges and rolling it tight. Again, I don't make my egg. I usually do have homemade egg roll paper, but these were not. I did it for another challenge. I did it for the Super Bowl challenge. But what I like to do when I'm rolling my egg rolls is I like to flash freeze them first in the freezer, usually 2 hours, overnight preferable. And then I put them in a Ziploc bag so I have them anytime I want to pull out and put them into the air fryer. Again, as I said at the beginning of the video, we go to the farm a lot. So there they are. They're a super simple, fast, quick breakfast in the morning. You want to go ahead and preheat your air fryer. Always preheat. Most air fryers have the preheat button. I'm going to go put the egg rolls in the preheated air fryer, and I am going to go ahead and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the top of the egg rolls. That's up to you. I just like to do it because I'm lazy and I don't want to flip my egg rolls, and so I just drizzle on top of it. You see it right here, drizzling away. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the air fryer on 400 and I'm going to do it for 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it up to 400. And down to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to press play or go. Oh my God, look at them crispy egg rolls. Ooh, wee, they look good. They look so good, y'all. And you couldn't hear it, but they were like sizzling too. I cut them in half. Now, when we're on the go, I'll just grab it and keep it as a full egg roll and have it in the car. But I like to serve it with a little bit of buffalo sauce as a dipping sauce. They're really good as some hot syrup to add to them or to some jam, but we like to do ours in a buffalo sauce to get a little bit of spice in it. So delicious. Yum, they look so good. I hope you try it. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you again to Mary Ellen for including me in this fabulous collab. Y'all, if you have not seen all the videos in this Air Fryer February, I'm gonna leave the playlist in the description box with all of the wonderful ladies, wonderful channels that are included in this collaboration. Definitely go check them out, support them, give them a thumbs up, give them a subscribe, give them a like, and make sure to do the same here for me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. If you try this recipe out, definitely tag me on Instagram and Facebook. So y'all, thank you so much for stopping in the kitchen with me. Make sure you are liking and subscribing, and go ahead and hit that bell icon so you know that anytime that new content drops to my channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ormsby Farms. We post there every day. And until next video, y'all, be blessed.
I'm coming home.